Hey, it's Rick Quattro here with another free script for FrameMaker. This script is called Duplicate Paragraph Formats, and it allows you to duplicate paragraph formats through a simple dialog box. So I'll show you how it works. We've got a table of contents here, and our first paragraph is called Heading 1, and we don't want this to show up in the table of contents, so we're going to change the name to Heading 1 Front. We're going to create a new format with that name. So what we do is we click anywhere in this paragraph. We go up to the Format menu, choose Duplicate Paragraph Formats, and you'll see that it's pre-selected in this dialog box. Now what we can do is we can type in the new name. We're going to call it Heading 1 Front, and then we're going to click Duplicate, and you can see over here in the paragraph catalog that it shows up right away. And we can continue duplicating paragraph formats with this dialog box open, and when we're finished we click the Done button, and then I can click over here and actually apply that paragraph format to that heading. And if you look in the lower left hand corner of the document window, you can see that we've applied it. So how did we get this script? Well, go to my website. It's www.frameexpert.com. Click on the store link, and then you'll see a little banner here, scroll down for free software. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we'll see a listing for this. Duplicate Paragraph Formats, there it is. And then you can click this link here to download the script from my store. This will take you to my Gumroad store, and then you can see it listed here somewhere in the listing. Now there's two versions of this. One is the free version, which is right here. You can select this, fill out your information, and it's going to ask you how much you want to pay, and you can just put in 0 and you'll be able to download the software. There's also a paid version. There's the functionality is exactly the same, but the paid version will give you the ExtendScript source code. So if you want to learn scripting on your own, you've got that option, and the cost is $99.